VMAC again coming to you from Jamaica, giving you another devastation. And I'm starting this one from Rose Hall in Montego Bay. Look at that. A lot of traffic now.
Yes. Look over here.
So there's the hotel over there. You're going to encounter all kind of traffic now.
Yes.
Yeah. You know, so it look like I forget with gas.
It's for gas, yes.
Yeah.
All activities for gas, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yes, it look like for gas. All I hear block up for just to get some gas.
Oh, it's just for gas, so there are people driving around here.
Yeah. Wow.
Gas line.
Yes. Just to get some gas at the gas station.
Yeah.
Oh, this is crazy. So guys, this is Rose Hall, Montego Bay, you know. People are lining up to get a little petrol at the gas station there. And that's what causes traffic right now. So we're stuck in it.
Right, so this is road.
Look over there. Look over the gas station.
Look over there, guys. That's the gas station over there. Look at the queue. Look at that over there, guys. Right?
Whoa. It's blind.
Look at that over there, guys. People.
Line up for gas
Yeah.
because of the devastation. Whoa. See it?
Yeah.
Just I get little gas. Maybe we have to go get some gas and come sell down here.
Well, it look like it. I think we should do it. We should use one of the drum in it.
Whoa.
One of the drum I bring it and then fill it up with gas and sell it.
This is Carl Garden, guys. That is the police station over there. The rooftop gone too.
Yes,
That.
no one to arrest protected station because rooftop gone for them station gone. Look at all this, guys.
Wow. Unruly.
Yeah. Unruly.
Pocket tree. Yeah. Yes. No light, nothing.
Nothing.
Uh, this is Vita Village over here. Look like you get a lot of damage too.
Yes.
Oh.
A lot of damage here in Witter Village, guys.
Yeah. And see the other problem here because the light not working too.
It's a big, big problem.
Yeah, it's a big problem. And the traffic to get,
Yes.
yeah. It's very rough down this side here.
Yes.
You can see it.
Really, really rough.
Yeah. See another issue here. When any gas station in service, big problem
Big,
on the
big
road.
problem, yes.
Yes, the line.
Yes, the line is really, really so massive to get into the station. You know?
Yeah, to get gas.
Yes. You want to get in gas, guys? It's going to be a big problem getting gas.
Down this side here.
Yes, down this side is really bad, yeah.
Yeah. So if you're coming from Kingston to this side, make sure you have a full tank of gas.
Yes,
Cause boy, it's a big issue.
yes.
Yeah. Look at that.
Big queue. Big line for gas.
Yeah, big line for gas.
Mm.
And this is going to go on for a long time, you know.
Yeah, man.
Look there, look at that. Look at that.
Yo, big man, beg you some gas now. It's a seat. Yeah. I'm ready for fight.
Yeah,
Yeah, man, ready for defend him gas.
yeah, defending gas. Look over there, guys. Look over the gas station.
Right.
Whoa, it's line.
Big line over there.
Line.
Look
Wow.
at the line right over there, guys.
And all these vehicles park alongside there is just to get gas.
Just to get gas, eh?
Yeah.
Look at that queue over there, guys. Look at the line. Big line over there for gas. Big line for gas. There's one. Big line for gas over there.
Oh gosh.
Right? big line for gas.
Serious. Well, you have a plane coming in there. You see a plane just land.
Oh yes, a plane just landed over
So
there.
look at the airport open.
Yeah, that's surprisingly.
Yeah, look at the. Well, maybe is
People bringing food in or
yes,
something like that.
yes, maybe it just open for that purpose.
For that purpose, yes.
Right
So
now.
people have to bring things in, yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. So I don't believe it's open
Fully.
to fly, yes.
Yeah.
At the park lot, yeah. Yes, and that big that last guy, that is the Caribbean Solo Sunshine car.
Oh. There's a soldier camp over there.
Yeah.
at that breadfruit tree right on the house there.
Yes. Red.
It's a cargo plane
Yes,
bringing in stuff.
that's right.
Yeah. Oh, so the airport is closed down.
Yes.
See, most of those people, a signal them I get over there, you know. Phone
Yes.
signal.
Yes, they're there for phone signal.
Oh, look at the traffic.
Yeah.
So down there is the airport, guys. Yeah, so we are going straight into Montego Bay.
Yes.
Driving on top road. Everybody just trying to get some signal,
Yes.
and so we are into Montego Bay now.
Yes, Montego Bay.
Yeah, so careful of. When you come to the stoplight, you have to be very careful
Yes.
because everything is out.
Yes. Yes, guys. So you have to be careful because remember there's no light here, guys. So when you come into a stoplight, you have to be very careful.
So on your left there is the craft market of Montego Bay. Look like it gets some bad damage over there too. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, look.
That side.
Look at that. People them have to use the sea water or fresh water them get over there by the sea.
I see, yes.
Oh, this gas station damage.
This gas station is badly damaged.
Yeah. Wow. Go over there, Pier Mud.
Yes.
Okay guys, thank you for watching and thank you for supporting the channel. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and remember to go and check out Jamaican World Travel. That's my friend YouTube channel. He's right beside me in the car here.
In real life.
Yes, my people.